it is the last ride. We are just heading to Ace now because they are going to buy the bike off me. So this is the complete last ride on this bike. It is a bit sad, absolutely. Obviously I've owned this bike for over a year now. I will admit I haven't got as attached as what I thought I would, but obviously I'm definitely still going to miss the bike. Just with it being my first kind of big bike, I suppose. And of course it's raining, because why not? We've obviously took all the stickers off, all pink, all of my kind of social media stickers we've removed. I will admit the colour on it is still beautiful, and it always will be, this blue. So, but yes, as I say, it's time to change, time for a nice move, and obviously you've obviously you should see. Obviously, if you follow me on Instagram or anything like that, you will have already seen the new bike. But obviously I will upload the video after this one as to what we are replacing the MT with, and do a little bit more of an in-depth video for you guys. But yeah, this is just my one final ride out with it, I suppose. As I say, of course the weather is absolutely shocking, because why wouldn't it be? Absolutely battered if I try to overtake anyone. And as I say, you'll understand why when you see the bike, or if you've already seen the bike. popping and banging from the exhaust. At least for now, because the new one just has a standard exhaust. Don't get me wrong, it sounds good, but obviously it doesn't pop and stuff on downshift. Do we not indicate? We're getting closer. What's this? Shouldn't be a sad day, I suppose.
place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay.